Starting a cleaning business sounds kind of overwhelming, right? But have you ever wondered if starting a cleaning business is right for you? Maybe you're just curious how you could actually earn a living starting a cleaning business. So in today's video, I'm sharing a quick 10-question quiz to find out exactly where you stand. So whether you are brand new to cleaning or you are someone who loves to keep your home spotless, we're gonna find out if you're ready to start earning between like $20 to $100 an hour, or maybe even more with your own clients. So this quiz is designed to help you know and understand. So let's get started. All right, so quick, grab a pen, a piece of paper, and we will get going with our 10 questions. Here we go. Question number 1, how do you feel about cleaning right now? A, I avoid it until I have no choice. B, I like having a clean home and I usually do a pretty good job. C, I've cleaned professionally before and I know I do quality work. Question number 2, how much do you know about cleaning methods and products? A, I only know the basics, soap, water, maybe some all-purpose spray. B, I've researched hacks and techniques and I try to use them at home. C, I already know about pH, product for different surfaces, and pro techniques. Question number 3, how would you describe your attention to detail? A, I'm more of a good enough cleaner. B, I notice things like streaks on mirrors or dusting corners. C, I'm extremely detailed. Clients and bosses always compliment my work. Question number 4, how do you feel about working for yourself? A, I've never thought about it seriously. B, I've thought about it, but I don't know where to start. C, I'm ready. I just need the right guidance and tools. Number 5, if someone paid you $20 to $100 an hour to clean, how would you react? A, shocked. I didn't know people actually make that much. B, excited. That sounds amazing. I'd love to get there. C, confident. I've earned that before, or no, I could. How do you handle responsibility at work? A, I usually just do what I'm told. B, I take initiative sometimes, especially when I know I can improve things. C, I take full ownership and pride in the results. I go above and beyond. What's your current cleaning experience? A, just cleaning my own space when I have to. B, I've gotten good at cleaning my home and maybe helped family and friends. C, I've already worked as a cleaner for an employer. How confident are you in customer service skills? A, I'm not sure. I haven't had much practice. B, I'm friendly and polite, but I could use some training. C, I've worked directly with clients and know how to manage relationships. What is your main motivation right now? A, learning how to keep my own home cleaner. B, finding a flexible, reliable way to earn side income. C, gaining freedom to set my own rates and build my own business. Last question, number 10. What best describes your next step? A, I'm curious. I just want to keep learning from YouTube. B, I'd like professional training so I can get paid for cleaning. C, I'm ready to start a business. I just need the roadmap. All right, time to evaluate. If you got mostly A's on your quiz, you are in learning mode. Subscribe to Your Clean Start on YouTube to keep building your cleaning knowledge, and you'll be ready when the opportunity calls. If you got mostly B's on your quiz, then you are a natural, detail-oriented cleaner. Your next step is professional training with us to build skills, confidence, and credentials. Drop the word courses in the comments below, and I'll know to send those to you. If you answered mostly C's, then you are ready right now to launch your own cleaning business. You have the skills. Now it's time to learn the systems that make cleaning profitable and sustainable. Comment business below and I'll know to send you more information.